Hey guys, Theo here, and welcome to the Caffeine Zone, where we discuss everything coffee. For today's video, we are tasting the instant coffee Cafe Gold Espresso from Woolworths, packaged in Germany for South Africa. I'm guessing it's Robusta. They don't say. Oh no, a blend of the finest Arabica and Robusta beans. Beautiful. Now, because it's espresso coffee, of course it's roasted slightly darker. Not that I know what espresso coffee means, because espresso is actually a recipe, but that's for another discussion. They don't say how much coffee, but they do say once you open, store in a cool, dry place and use within 4 to 6 weeks. So we'll do that. 100% spray dried. So again, aerated, dried coffee. Let's taste it. Woo! We're gonna go 4.4 grams of coffee per 200 ml of water, so 2.2 per 100 ml. Let's see, nice heaped up spoon is 4 grams. Now this is a huge spoon. 4.4. That tells us that this coffee is very, very light. Again guys, don't use boiling water. I'm going to say this every time, because you extract too much bitterness, then you feel the need for sugar. We want to taste the coffee, not the flavored coffee. Oh wow, beautiful crema. Nice, dark, rich, thick. 200.3. Not a very sweet aroma. It actually smells like coffee. Anyway, let's fast forward to 2 minutes so we can get to tasting. And there we go, 2 minutes. Give it a good stir. Get that crema in there. We really want to taste the crema on this one. Nice, dark, rich crema. Okay, first sip. Woo. Okay. I see where they're going. Woo! Goodness gracious me. It's not a very clean cup. It's extremely dusty. Woo, and extremely intense. This is definitely towards espresso, or the thought of espresso, even though this does taste like an over-extracted espresso. It burns my throat. This makes me think of the Italian from Woolworths, and also Nescafe Classic, and most definitely Jacobs. Okay, sweetness, acidity, bitterness. Sweetness, it needs milk, 1 out of 10. It's not sweet at all. It's dry, the textile is extremely dry in my mouth. Acidity, very, very intense. 9 out of 10, maybe even a 10. We'll go with 9 out of 10 acidity. And bitterness, probably about an 8 out of 10. So very, very bitter in the throat. I will be adding a lot of milk to this because I don't like sugar, but if you feel like adding sugar to this, I won't hold it against you. This is very intense, very heavy in the back of the throat, very, very dry. Not the way I know espressos. But there's people that love this. So if this sounds like the coffee that you would enjoy, Moer coffee, then this is the coffee for you. Can't see nothing wrong with it. Your tongue, your mouth. Who am I to tell you what you can like and dislike? I love it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and may you find your happy place in every single cup.